Greetings from Herbalist Notebook for yet another thrilling excursion. Herbal fans, it's a pleasure to have you join me as we explore the fascinating field of herbal medicine. We're going to be revealing the fundamental ideas that underlie herbal treatments as a natural means of achieving well-being. It is time to rediscover the straightforward yet potent secrets that nature has to give in a society when sophisticated solutions are all the rage. Herbal medicine is a journey back to our roots, appreciating the amazing benefits plants have to offer for our health, not merely a means of treatment. Now grab a cup of herbal tea, take a seat, and let's explore the wonders of herbalism on Herbalist's Notebook together. Individual relationship. I found a tiny herb garden in the early days of Herbalist Notebook, which reminded me of happy childhood memories. When I was a child, my wise grandma would make herbal remedies that would improve our health. I was immediately taken back in time by the scent of mint and lavender while I was in the herb garden. That's when I realized how much of an influence herb had on my life. My enthusiasm for herbalism and my aim to spread the amazing stories these plants have are fueled by this personal connection. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this herbal adventure, and as we explore together, keep in mind that every herb has a story to tell. Reasons for using herbal medicine. Gaining an understanding of the fundamentals of herbal medicine is similar to discovering a timeless treasure trove of health. Herbal medicine is important because it provides insight into our common past, a time when herbs have been dependable allies in fostering well-being and health for ages. These ageless natural wonders continue to provide all-encompassing advantages that benefit people of all ages and cultures. Exploring the history of herbalism gives us priceless insights into how these plants can improve our current state of being and help to create a more wholesome future. It also helps us feel more connected to our past. Now, let's explore the core of herbal wisdom and learn why adhering to these age-old ideals is important for our general health. Synopsis of fundamental ideas. Now let's dissect the basic ideas of herbal medicine in order to reveal its essence. Consider herbalism as a comprehensive path that views the body, mind, and spirit as complementary components. The key is realizing that plants are nature's powerful medicine and that they can cure. The goal of herbal medicine is to bring harmony and well-being back into the body by embracing the idea of balance. So, maintaining a balanced, flourishing condition is more important than only addressing symptoms. As we delve into these concepts, keep in mind that herbalism is a thorough awareness of how nature's abundance may direct us towards optimal health rather than just a treatment. The nature connection. Let's now explore the long-standing relationship between herbal medicine and the natural world. Consider herbal treatments as direct translations from the abundance of plants found in nature. This deep connection is a dance with nature, not just a means of healing. In their most natural state, herbs become our allies in the pursuit of well-being. Accepting this link allows us to connect with the earth's vitality, which promotes overall balance as well as physical well-being. As we discover the benefits of herbalism, keep in mind that nature's medicine is our connection to a timeless source of health and harmony with the environment. Cultural viewpoints. Let's now explore the many contexts in which different cultures see herbal medicine. Imagine a future in which various tribes have accepted herbs as essential components of their customs. Every culture has created a distinctive tapestry using the therapeutic powers of nature, from the age-old Chinese herbalism to the all-encompassing Ayurvedic treatment in India and the herbal traditions of Native American healers. These many viewpoints enhance our knowledge of herbalism and demonstrate the common language of plants in fostering well-being. Thus, keep in mind that the worldwide relevance of herbalism links us in a shared journey towards health and harmony as we unearth these cultural treasures. Advantages and empowerment. Let's examine the amazing advantages of using herbal medicine into our everyday routines. Consider herbs as nature's allies, providing a comprehensive approach to well-being in addition to treatments. Using herbal medicine encourages self-awareness and balance while enabling people to organically take control of their health. Herbs offer a gentle but effective approach to nourish our bodies, offering anything from stress reduction to immune support. This empowerment extends beyond the material realm and inspires us to choose a way of life that is in harmony with plant wisdom through a journey of connection with the natural world. Thus, as we explore the various aspects of herbalism, keep in mind that its advantages go way beyond that, enabling us to flourish in a condition of overall wellness. Actual examples. Let's now explore some real-world instances that demonstrate the transforming potential of herbal therapy. Imagine people who have adopted herbal medicines and reaped the benefits in observable ways. Imagine someone using adaptogenic herbs to relieve chronic stress, or someone using herbal teas to observe better digestion. These tales not only give herbalism's tenets more legitimacy, but they also provide real-world examples of the possible advantages that await those who take on this organic path. We teach people the way by presenting these real-life successes, which demonstrate the genuine benefits of herbal therapy for general well-being. Thus, keep in mind that there is a genuine and amazing chance for good transformation with herbs when we incorporate these tales into our herbal tapestry. Useful hints and examples. Now let's use and incorporate some useful advice and applications from herbal knowledge into your daily life. Imagine this: enjoy a revitalizing cup of herbal tea to start your day, such as relaxing chamomile or stimulating peppermint. Think about adding herbs to your food. Consider the fresh taste of basil in salads or the calming effect of lavender in sweets. Imagine a combination with ginger for digestion or a soothing lavender sachet for relaxation if you're looking for a quick fix. These straightforward yet effective techniques offer a pleasurable approach to organically support your well-being by incorporating fundamental herbal concepts into your daily routine. Thus, keep in mind that the beauty of herbs is not only in their adaptability, but also in their accessibility to improve your everyday life as you set out on this herbal journey. Motivation to acquire further knowledge. I welcome you to explore this fascinating field further as we learn about the benefits of herbal medicine together. Consider increasing your knowledge via trustworthy herbal websites or publications like the Complete Book of Herbs available online. Take into consideration enrolling in classes that offer a disciplined approach to comprehending herbal ideas. This trip is an invitation to begin an ongoing exploration rather than just watching today's film. Therefore, the more knowledge you acquire, regardless of your level of experience with herbs, the more capable you will be to utilize their amazing powers. Let the wisdom of herbs fill your life as you turn the pages and click the links. Finally, some gratitude. As our herbal investigation draws to a close, let's consider the most important discoveries we made together. Every step I've taken to live a happier, more balanced life has been towards comprehending the basic ideas of herbal medicine and discovering its rich cultural legacy. I am grateful to each and every one of you for coming along on this exploration into the core of herbalism. I appreciate all of your time and attention, and the lively energy you offer to the Herbalist Notebook community is greatly appreciated. Recall that the knowledge contained in herbal principles is a roadmap to a peaceful and balanced future, not merely a remnant of our common history. I appreciate your important role in this herbal family